Hello, everyone. My name is Brad Carche. I'm head of marketing at Hostfully, and I'm joined by my other Hostfully colleagues, Pedro and Eric. We're going to give you a quick demo of the newly designed direct booking site on Hostfully. So the thing is, OTAs are great, but let's face it, you lack control in terms of fees as well as customer information. This is why the push by vacation rental managers towards more direct bookings is so important. We know the industry average for direct bookings is around 31% of total reservations, but we find so many Hostfully managers and managers in general fall well below that. So we want to help change that with the newly designed direct booking site. So this is what we'll be talking about today in the video. We'll show you the new, beautifully designed user experience, the new search feature that plugs directly into your Hostfully property management platform, which is auto-populates. All the information that's contained in Hostfully will auto-populate into your new direct bookings website automatically, which includes your up-to-date availability calendar. It will also give you the complete list of your properties as well as amenities. There's an easy checkout process, which we will run through, and you can brand it and white label it with your logo and colors. And it also includes an integration to your credit card and payment processing integration. So I'm going to pass it over to Pedro now, who's going to give you a demo of the newly designed website.
Hi, everyone. This is Pedro Leo. I'm the Vice President of Business Development for Hostfully, and we're here today, as Brad said, to show you our newly designed direct booking website. And essentially here, we're going to start with our template that can be automatically made. Takes a few minutes to be ready, and essentially we can white label with your own domain, with our own domain, your logo on the top, and also we can customize the headliners and the background picture. But more importantly here, we can choose what properties we're featuring on the main page and also go through our search bar so the guest can search across all your properties at the same time. So they'll choose the location, the dates, and the number of guests. Once they search, we drive then to our search page, which essentially will show all the properties that we have available, also showing them in the map. The guests will be able to navigate through all the properties. They can choose any properties that they're interested in seeing. And essentially here, we also have a property page for each of our properties. Important to mention that all these details as pictures, descriptions, amenities, calendar, map, and review is fully connected to Hostfully in the backend through the API. So if you change a picture on our platform, essentially that updates not just the OTAs, but also your direct booking website. As we see here, we have all the descriptions, amenities, the calendar, map, and also if we have any reviews, we'll be able to display on our website. And we have our booking widget that will essentially allow you to power instant bookings or increase. In this property right here, as you see, I have it basically set up for increase. So the guest can essentially choose some dates, provide some information, leave a brief message. As we see, we also support discount codes. And once they hit get a quote, we will get an inquiry directly on our backend. Right, property manager will essentially receive that inquiry, and on Hostfully, we're able to customize the quote, send a quote, and do a lot more. I also want to show a property that is customized for instant bookings. And as you see, the booking widget will essentially show book now instead of get a quote. All right. And essentially, like I said, it takes you a very, very, very few time to customize all of that. The direct booking website will be, ready right away, and you can start powering bookings to your guest as soon as you sign up to Hostfully. All right, I'll pass it on to Eric right now so he can show a little bit of the back end and how we can essentially customize this direct booking website.
Hey everyone, I'm Eric, head of customer success for Hostfully. Thank you, Pedro and Brad, for taking us through that. It was a great look at the front end and the guest experience. I just want to walk everyone through how easy it is to enable this in Hostfully. So right now we're in the channels section. You'll scroll down, you'll find the Hostfully channel. If it's not toggled on, you'll toggle it on. And then within that channel, you can toggle on individual properties. And if you have a lot of properties, there's a button up here to toggle them all on. So it's super easy. Once you're done with that, you can go to agency settings and upload a logo. That's pretty quick and easy. And then there's white labeling. So this is the tab where all the magic happens. All you need to do is enable this, and then you can start to build your website. Right, so this is the website. So you can see here the picture, the titles, the property down here. So all of this is feeding from Hostfully, and this is where you set it up. So you can add your image, your headline, subheadline. You can change the font color of those titles by simply clicking on a color that you like. You can select your featured properties. So in this instance, we have one property, so there's only one to select. But if you have 50 properties, you can select your top 3. You have some widget options here, and then the opportunity to white label. So here you can customize your domain name to match your branding and create a seamless customer experience. You can add some CSS if you have a developer who wants to make some customizations. You can add a favicon, and I just learned what a favicon is. It is this little logo up here. So when a user is clicking on your website, this icon is going to show as your logo if you add a favicon. We have Google Analytics. So if you're trying to track your customers and where they're coming from and if they're converting and that process, we enable that through Google Analytics, which is super helpful for a lot of PMs. And then we also have HTML. So if you want to customize the header or the footer, you can easily do that with HTML. For example, this is the current footer. You can put your logo, your information, contact information, anything you want down there. So it's super easy, clean, simple to use, very straightforward. We also have help articles on it as well. So if you ever get stuck, there's resources for you. And then our support team is here to assist you 7 days a week. So I hope this was helpful. Let us know if you have any questions. We're super excited to launch this. Thank you.
Awesome, Eric. Thanks for showing the back end. And essentially, guys, I want to show you our search widget as well. If you have your beautiful website, you're happy with it, you don't want to change anything, we can essentially just integrate our search widget. And what it does, it allows the guest to search availability from your current website. And essentially, once they hit search, we are also driving them into our search page. And as you see, this is a current client of ours, and essentially they have all their properties available. If you click in each of their properties, again, we have the ability to see their property page as well as the descriptions, amenities, and all the information that we want to share with them. So keep in mind the second approach. If you have a beautiful website, our widgets are a simple HTML code that can essentially be easily integrated into your current website, and we can start powering searches and direct bookings right away as soon as you sign up to Hostfully. All right, thank you again for watching, and we look forward to working with you.